Do you know many people are having trouble with their Samsung HW-H450 soundbars? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure that your soundbar is plugged in securely to the power outlet and the unit itself. If necessary, unplug and reinsert the power cord. Step 2. Adjust sound. Check that the mute function is disabled and that the volume is turned up. Use the remote to adjust the settings if required. Step 3. Test remote. Test your remote control by replacing batteries and ensuring you're within range to control the soundbar without issues. Step 4. Reset Connect. If TV SoundConnect isn't working, ensure your TV supports it and reset the connection to your soundbar by pressing the relevant button on the remote for 5 seconds. Step 5. Reconnect subwoofer. Reconnect the subwoofer as needed and adjust its volume using the remote control to ensure it operates correctly. Step 6. Factory reset. Consider a factory reset by pressing specific buttons on the remote for more than 5 seconds to revert settings. Now you should be able to resolve any issues with your Samsung HW-H450 soundbar. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.